Believe me, actually, we are married 23 years, but it's since I started the vlog and since Laura is involved in this vlog, we're breaking up almost every day. Like Laura said today, she said, since you started the vlog, it's a question, can we still be together? Because you are super annoying and super like frustrated all the time. Of our lives is actually in the details, and sometimes we focusing on something big while we're missing the interesting things just because there was maybe this big detail of your day which made you happy, while the global things doesn't matter. The hardest for any vlog is to find the content and the way to make every single vlog look different. And that's the hardest one for me personally. Maybe for someone it's easy, but then I understood that you don't need that much to make a good vlog. You just need some little idea and maybe some creativity. The biggest problem for me is actually that I'm like a kind of looking for perfection in everything I'm doing. and that's the biggest problem. And I expect from the people around me too much, because I'm in this process. I know how it should look like, but these people don't know at all, and finally I get frustrated just because they don't understand what I want. There's something I would like to say is that we get frustrated just because we expect too much. For example, if you ask someone to help with your vlog, then you have to explain every single detail. But since it's a kind of the process where you don't know what will happen next moment, then that's the problem. So I really appreciate Laura, and I really I'm really sorry, Laura. I'm the person I am for the last, how many already episodes? 40. This one will be 45, right? Yeah, 45th. This one will be the 45th episode. So I'm really sorry, Laura, that I've been super annoying guy for the last 45 days because of this log. Oh yeah, even before, when we started, since we started filming. Because I have my point of view, and I know how it should look like, and I finally, yeah, whatever. Guys, the secret of the happy life in marriage is that you don't expect from each other too much. We start, the worst thing you can do is to start marriage with some expectations. Right, so you spent, before you became married, you spent a little time with each other, and now you expect that this person will take care about you, while it's not her task. She's individuality, you're individuality, and you just share some of your time together.
But it's not only in a marriage.
Yeah, it's not only in a marriage.
Any kind of relationship.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you're working together, same. Marriage, same. Traveling together, same. Yeah, so that's the same. Thank you very much for being with me, being patient enough, and supporting me. Yeah. Bye, guys. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe for YouTube. I'm really sorry I'm saying this one because we still miss a lot of subscriptions, and probably we didn't create the content will explode all this stuff yet, but that's what we're going for. Okay, thank you very much for being with us. Bye.
Bye.